Hey dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that what does profile view on TikTok means. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, what does profile view on TikTok means? It means that you will get notification that who searched for your profile and who opened your profile and view all your TikTok videos and who is following you. Click on the TikTok app, you click on the profile, click on the two dots and you can see here history that who viewed your profile. It means that you will know that who is following you or who is showing viewing your profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.